Today, the first EP Equipment EFL Pro trucks have landed in Europe, right here in Germany. And this isn't just another delivery. This is the start of something new. EP Equipment's Pro range was developed for a very clear reason. Over the past years, we've seen a major shift in markets around the world. Customers are ready to move away from diesel, even in heavy-duty applications. But there is a final hurdle. For many, they won't switch unless electric can truly match diesel in performance, durability, and reliability. So EP Equipment built a truck that does exactly that. The EFL Pro was engineered with one clear goal: to level up material handling for electric forklifts without compromise. Because in this category, customers don't accept almost. They need power, they need outdoor performance and advanced options in ergonomics for safety and precision that other models can't provide. The EFL Pro delivers up to 3.5 tonnes of capacity and lift heights up to 6 metres. With 80-volt lithium-ion batteries, a 17-kilowatt drive motor and a 30-kilowatt lift motor, this truck performs exactly how a diesel truck should. But without emissions, without fuel costs, and without the noise. High ground clearance, large tyres, strong gradability. These trucks look premium, but are built for yards, construction, outdoor logistics, not just smooth warehouse floors. At its core, EFL Pro is built around EP's revolutionary lithium-ion battery system. Scalable from 280 amp hour to 628 amp hour with integrated charging, external charging ports, and maximum flexibility for every application. At the core of the EFL Pro series is something we're very proud of: fully upgraded ergonomic design. Pro performance meets pro comfort with state-of-the-art armrest controls, integrating drive, lift, tilt, side shift, and fork leveling at your fingertips. The full LED display shows real-time battery status, speed, mast angle, and more. With a big instep, a spacious heated cabin, suspended seat, tilted pedals, and wheel positioning, this truck is built for fatigue-free operation. But performance is only half the story, and Pro is not just about power. It's about raising the standard in operator comfort with smart controls and safety systems. With integrated armrest, a full-touch LED display, ergonomic cabin design, and standard telematics for professional fleet management.
We are very proud that we can receive the first Pro Trucks EFL on Novak Gabelstapler, because we are dealers since 6 years to EP, and it's great to have the first trucks in here. The gap in the market is we can change the diesel trucks, and we had a powerful, strong electric truck with all the features that can beat a diesel in all positions. The EFL Pro is an incredible truck because it has a beautiful design, we had a good ergonomic for the drivers, we had a big display that we can show all the things, the angles, the lifting high, and we had a great cabin. And when you drive it, you don't know that you sit on the forklift truck. It's so comfortable. Yes, the comfort from the truck is most incredible for the people they work with, is because in the past the owners of companies build the trucks. They are cheap and they know you must lift 3 meters. And in Germany it's very important for the people that the guys who work with the trucks have a good feeling and a good place to work. And with these trucks we had a beautiful place to work, and so it's more easier for us to sell them. Pedal positioning is really good on these trucks because we had in Europe most people with saving shoes, and you have a big floor in this truck and you have place enough to change your feet, and so you had a good positioning to drive and to relax your legs, and so you can drive longer than if you have a small pedaling position. Yes, for the customers it's very important to have good safety features because we had strong regulation in Germany, and so we had on this truck every safety feature that we can do and that we need in Germany. So it's beautiful to have this. Here at Novak, the EFL Pro series is the final step to change EC trucks to final electric trucks.
This is EP Equipment stepping into a new level of product development. Across Europe, we're seeing a clear shift. Even in heavy-duty applications, customers are ready to move away from diesel. And with the EFL Pro, they finally can, with confidence. The first Pro trucks are here, We created this range because the market is ready, so let's go pro together. Built to perform, built to replace diesel, built for the future, the pro era has begun. So let's go pro together.